So have you ever had a screw that is loose like this? See, this is a gate latch, and it goes in here and the wind blows it back and forth, and it is wore this screw hole out so that it's so big that it doesn't hold snugly anymore. So here's I call it the toothpick hack. What you can do is just get a couple of toothpicks and you just shove a couple in there, break them off, and then when you put your screw back in, it will be nice and snug. So let's see if we can do this. Keep it in focus. Get it started until it's too tight to do it with your finger anymore. Get your screwdriver out, and now you've refilled it in, and it's nice and snug once again. No fuss, no muss. There you go. This one, nice and snug. Good as new.